Hello, this is question 23 from the foundation paper and question 4 from the higher paper. They're both paper 3 from November 2023. We're told Jenna is asked to show the given inequality on a number line, and we're shown her answer. For part A, we're asked to write down 2 mistakes Jenna has made, and for part B, we're asked to work out the greatest integer that satisfies the given inequality. Pause the video, attempt to answer the question, return to play the video to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. Welcome back. We're given the inequality that x is greater than -3 and that x is also less than or equal to 4. When we're drawing an inequality on a number line, if it's strictly less than or greater than, we draw an open circle. If it's possibly equal to the number as well, then the circle should be shaded in. So this is the first mistake that I've noticed, that this circle here should be shaded in. So I'm going to write, she should have a shaded circle at 4. When we're drawing these inequalities on a number line, we also draw the circles all the way up to the numbers given. So we should have circles at -3 and 4. We have the one at 4, but this one has stopped at -2. We need to go all the way to -3. So the mistake I've spotted is she should have drawn her circle at -3, not at -2. In part B, we're asked to work out the greatest integer that satisfies the given inequality. We know an integer is a whole number. The first thing that we need to do is to rearrange this inequality so we can find out what the relationship to y is. The first thing that we want to do is add 7 to both sides, because we can see if we add 7 to the left-hand side, the take away 7, add 7 will cancel each other out, leaving us with 5y. When we add 7 to 16, we will get 23. We need to keep the inequality. To get just y on the left-hand side, we need to divide the 5 y's by 5. This will give us just the 1y. So if we're dividing the left-hand side by 5, we need to divide the right-hand side by 5. This is an improper fraction, so we can write it as a mixed number, which would be 4 wholes and 3/5. So we found that y is strictly less than 4 wholes and 3/5, which means the greatest integer, the biggest whole number that y could possibly be, is 4. This is a 4-mark question. We get 2 marks for part A. And to get these 2 marks, they will accept you stating that she should have a solid, full, shaded or coloured circle at 4. Or by saying that it does not show that x could be equal to 4, because this is saying that x is strictly less than 4. For the second mark, you could write that she should have marked or drawn a clear or empty circle at -3, or that the line should be drawn all the way up to -3, or stating that Jenna has started from -2, not -3. Part B is worth 2 marks. If you get the answer of 4, you will get these 2 marks. Otherwise, there is a mark for correctly showing the first step. That's this step here, where you get 5y is less than 23. And the second mark is for finding the final answer. I hope you found that helpful.